Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Sophie Hatter on Dress to Impress. So to create Sophie Hatter, I'm just going to remove everything except for, again, the pony because I did some minor adjustments to that. So on this one, did I do anything to it? Hello? I did Y.53 and then I colored it 6B4129, and then on this one, I did Y at 0.48, Z at 0.43, and scaled it to 0.41. And I just did this hair. I might make it a little bit lighter because from the front it does look a little bit darker. So I'm just going to change it to 905837. For the hat, we're going to use this one in, oh my gosh, what color did I use? I don't remember. I think I'll just use this one here, and then I'll select the leather one, and then I think it's like a red color, and then I'm just going to do some minor adjustments here. Something like that. Looks weird from the back, but we don't look at the back, you know. For the sleeves, we're just going to use this one in this color, D8F8, nope. I did this color, sorry, 688-274. What's wrong with me today? And then I did these sleeves as well in the same color for everything. And then for the top, I used this one in this color in matte, and then again in this color in matte, and then here I actually selected white for this one, and then this, and then that again. And then actually I'll use this one, skirt only, and then select this color and then do white on that. For the shoes, I'm just going to use these in black. Wait, what shoes did I use? No, I used the boots, sorry. Then use this, and then do no feet, and then use these boots. Color it this color, and then the other one just a little bit darker. And then the rest I'll just color it this brown, and then black for the laces. And then I added like a little bow. You can't really see it that much, but it's just a nice touch, I guess. Select this bow, color it this color, 96578C in silk. And I'm just going to lower it, and I'm going to make it smaller, like this much maybe, so you can kind of see it a little from the front. But yeah, that is it. It's not the original costume that I had on. I just had to change in mine. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!